Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is baked fish. It's super easy to make and super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to dry your fish. I'm using tuna. And cut it in more or less big slices. Then let's cut some dill and one lemon, cut in half, and let's set one part of the lemon apart. And the other part we cut into slices. 100 milliliters of yogurt with a tablespoon of salt and the dill. Then add the juice of half of a lemon and mix it very well. Put the fish into a bowl and add the mixture that we made before and spread it around. Now, on a baking pan, put some baking paper and place the fish on top. Don't forget to add the remaining sauce, and between the pieces of fish, add the lemons. Fold the end pieces of the baking paper so the juices or the water doesn't go out to the baking pan. Let it sit for half an hour and then bake it in 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. When it's all done, you can plate it and try it out. Si os ha gustado esta receta, dale a like y suscríbete a mi canal.